Case dimensions as shown in the video. Case fabric made of PVC-backed Bickler polyester waterproof material. Resists daily dampness or accidental liquid spills. Polypropylene honeycomb panel provides 22 kilograms overall support. Aluminum telescopic handle prevents corrosion and ensures durability. Reinforced zipper glides smoothly without jamming. Main compartment accommodates most daily cleaning supplies and tools. Front independent pouch stores numerous daily tools, such as electric wrenches, claw hammers, screwdrivers, etc., meeting daily needs. Front storage bag features hook and loop design, ideal for longer items like mops and cleaning tools. Right side collapsible pocket with waterproof insert, suitable for liquid exposed items. Waterproof insert secured by a hook-on loop for easy access. Includes elastic cord to secure stored items. Left side features expandable storage bag. Polypropylene honeycomb material offers protection and support. Back panel has partitioned storage pocket. Organizes categorically stored items. Case cover has buckle design for locking. Top card slot holds identification cards. Equipped with hook to secure opened cover. Lining 201 OOD polyester with single-sided poo coating. Multiple internal compartments for organization. Top loading partitions storage box inside. Convenient for frequently used items. Side carry handles for easy transport during work.